Hi everybody, welcome back to our Facebook page. In this video we are going to make a beautiful miniature flower vase. We are going to give it shape using fingers and stick like this. After that give it more shape like we are doing here, like this. Give it more shape and look, it is almost ready now. After that we are going to heat it and make it stable like this, and then we are going to give it further shape like we are doing here. We are using a sharp knife and look, it is almost ready now. After that we are coloring it like we are doing orange red color, and look, it is ready. You can put a flower and look how cute this is looking. In this video we are making a beautiful mini coffee mug. Look how we are spinning it and giving it shape using these sharp objects and fingers, and look, it is almost ready now. Now we are going to color it blue and look, it is ready. Then we are going to make a beautiful little heart using red paint, and then we are going to paste its handle like this, and we are going to give it shape like we are doing here and paste it like this. We are spreading the clay and look, it is ready. You can remove it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.